Greeting dear children, still we are on factorization unit and we have done up to now taking common method of factorization, regrouping method, identities we have discussed, two identities we have discussed, a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b whole square. Now we are on the third identity, that is equal to a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. We have to do the factorization, means changing the algebraic expression into form, into parts which are in product with each other. Whenever we find two factors, two terms are there and having the squares, then there is a most probable chance that this identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b will be applied. Let us see, taking common can also be there, but this is also expected if square is there. So see here, can I write it as something whole square? 4 can be written as 2 square. This is p square. So I can write it as 2p whole square. This can be written as 9 can be written as 3 square. It is already q square. So I can write it as 3q whole square. Now it is turned into a square minus b square. So outside square we have to leave. Once we have to add these two terms in one bracket and in other bracket we have to subtract these two. So I will have to write it as 2p plus 3q and in the other bracket 2p minus 3q. So that are now two parts are obtained which are having multiply sign in between. So factorization done. So this is the answer. I hope you have understood. This is 2. Right? So this is answer. Similarly here, but it is 63 is not the square of any number. So I will have to see what number is common in both. 7 9 is the 63. Is this number also having 7 or 9 as common? 2 plus 1 is 4. So it means it is not in the table of 9. So it can be in the table of 7. Let me check. 7 1 the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4, 7, 6 the 42. Yes. So this is also coming in the table of 7. This is also coming in the table of 7. So taking 7 as common. 7 is common here. So we are using previous methods also. 7. Now it is 9a square minus in the table of 7. I have explained this thing earlier also. When we take anything as common, it means we are dividing with that. 7 1 the 7 and 7 6 the 42. So 16b square. Now, because 7 is still outside, one factor has come out. Now, can I write it as a square of any number? Yes. 9 can be written as 3 square. 3 square a square. So, I can write it as 3a whole square. And how I can write it as 16 is 4 square b square. So it can be written as 4b whole square. Now this is something square minus other thing square. So I will have to write once add these two terms, once subtract these two terms. So 7 outside. Now in one bracket 3a plus 4b. And in the other bracket 3a minus 4b. Right? So these are the factors. Similarly here. Now 49, check. Is 49 a perfect square number? Yes. 49 comes in the table of 7. 7 7 is the 49. Is 36 also a perfect square number? Yes. It comes in the table of 6. 6 6 the 36. So 7 square x square means 7x whole square. This is 6 into 6, yani this is equal to minus 6 square. So what will be its factors? 7x plus 6 and 7x minus 6. Got it? Now this is the number. Although 16 comes, 16 is a perfect square number 4 की table में आता है. This is 144, this is 12 square, but these 16 is common. In the table of 16, 16 9 is the 144. So I can take 16 common, and it is having x raised to power 5, it is having x raised to power 3. So can I take x raised to power 3 also common? Yes. 16 x raised to power 3 common. So 16 has gone out. X power 3 has gone out. So what is left here? X raised to power 2 minus 16 9 is the 144. X raised to power 3 has gone out. So this is there. So 16x cube into this is x square minus 9 can be written as 3 square. X square minus 3 square. So what will be used? Identity a square minus b square. X plus 3, x minus 3. So answer will be 16x cube into x plus 3, x minus 3. I think understand? You have understood this? So we can do by this method. So let us do other questions also. So I am little shifting the board. Can I shift this way? No, not possible. So we will rub it. Better we can rub it. So let me rub this. Now come on the other parts. What are the other parts of this? It is L plus M whole square minus L minus M whole square. There are two methods to do this question. This is one thing square minus other thing square. I can use this identity directly, or I can use A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square also. So any of the two methods can be followed. If I am using A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B, it means once L plus M add to L minus M in one bracket and L plus M minus L minus M. Why I have put the bracket? Because there is minus sign and it is not a monomial. This is not a single term. So I have to apply bracket so that all the signs should be changed. We will have to solve it. This is L, this is L. L plus L is 2L. This is M minus M. They will be cancelled. So in this bracket, it has come out as 2L. Now, in this bracket, L plus M. Whenever there are same kind of terms in different bracket, we will have to solve till one bracket is there. We have to make parts in two brackets. So L plus M, this is minus sign outside the bracket, minus L, minus into minus is plus M. So minus L and L are cancelled and plus M is 2M. 2M into 2L. So 2 2s are 4. L into M is Ln. So its answer is 4Lm. This is a different kind of question. Have you understood this? This can be done by other method also. Its other method is A plus B whole square can also be applied on this. If you want to do this question by this identity, you can do this way also. L plus M whole square is equal to A plus B whole square, and that is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. It will be L square plus M square plus 2LM. Right? So similarly, L minus M whole square, it will be equal to L square plus M square minus 2Lm. Squares are always positive and answer will be minus 2Lm. I am rubbing this identity. Now put the value here. Putting value, so it will be L square plus M square plus 2LM minus L square plus M square minus 2LM. Minus sign is outside the bracket. L square plus M square plus 2LM minus L square. Minus is outside the bracket, so inner signs will be changed. We will have to change the sign. Let us do properly, please. So this will be minus L square, minus M square, minus into minus is plus 2LM. Plus 2LM. So this is minus L square, this is plus L square. Cancel. This is plus M square, minus M square. This is plus 2LM, plus 2LM. So answer will be plus 4LM. So whatever method you will be following, answer will be same. So I hope you have understood. So with this, I am ending this video and I expect you to do other questions on your own, and you can ask your doubts. We will be meeting soon. Bye bye. Take care. Keep studying.